Hi guys, and welcome to my video. If my voice sounds kind of funny, it's because I've had strep throat for the past 5 days. It's not the funnest thing to have. Yesterday my throat was so closed, or yesterday or the day before, that I had to get a steroid shot in my bum. It was not enjoyable whatsoever. I couldn't feel my leg. It was like a Charlie horse for hours afterwards. But I am doing like slowly healing and getting better, and I just wanted to come on here because I hit 1,000 subscribers. And it's really hard not to be as animated as I feel inside. Most of it is just because I'm dying from the strep throat, but trust me, I am so grateful and so excited to have hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. So this video is going to be my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So before we get started on the giveaway, I always like to do some shout outs whenever I hit a milestone. So last time I shouted out Carter Confidential and Lil Makeup Channel. Both of them are still in my featured channels on my main page. I'll still link them down below because why not? But this time I have 2 more channels to shout out. Both of these will be linked below in the description. Both of them will be linked in comments. I'll leave a pinned comment, and they will be on my featured channels list. So the first channel is Catherine McCarthy, and I really love her vibe. She's really chill. She does a lot of unboxings, and she still comes to my channel to watch my unboxings, even though I know she knows all the spoilers. She knows everything that's in all the boxes that I am unboxing. She still comes by, leaves me meaningful comments about the content, not just like nice unboxing or sub back to me and all of that. And I want to actually warn people against saying like, hey, I like your video, sub back. First of all, if you're commenting on my videos at all, and even especially if I see you comment more than once, I'm gonna check if you have a channel, and I'm probably gonna subscribe to you. But when you say subscribe to me in the comments, sometimes YouTube blocks your comments. I get so many comments into my blocked list, or it's called likely spam, and I'm actually gonna show you just how many I get. All of them say I have a channel. All of them say I hope we can support each other. A lot of them are things that people say on more than one video. So if you say like cute video on 30 or 40 videos, now YouTube considers you spam, and I don't even see that comment unless I go into a likely spam section of my comments. So you want to be really careful how you're commenting. You should try to make it about the content, and you should try to make it different for each video. The second person is someone I recently did a collab with. She's really sweet. She is constantly encouraging me, not only on YouTube but also on Instagram, you know, sending me messages about things I post, and I just really appreciate that. I appreciate that kind of friendship as we're both building our YouTube channels here on YouTube. So that one is my friend Rita, and her channel is AlexMimi87. So if you saw our holiday look collab, you've probably already been over there, but she's definitely another person that it's great to, you know, subscribe to her, comment back and forth on each other's channels. I always see her commenting something that unless she watched the video, she wouldn't make that comment. So it's kind of important to get some of that view time as well, not just somebody who's just clicking on every single channel they follow and just writing like, cool, this is nice, I love your makeup, you know, something meaningful. I am not the best at it, but I try to watch every single every single video from every single channel that I'm subscribed to. I'm subscribed to a lot of channels. Luckily, you guys don't all post all the time. I might not always have the time to watch through every single video, especially if somebody's posting like 30-minute videos, and I understand that. Vice versa, I wouldn't expect someone to comment like through my whole video as well, but it is important, I think, when you decide to let someone be a part of your YouTube community, that you're not just, you know, idly being in that community, that you're participating and going back and forth and really caring about each other's channel growth, their view hours, their like quality of comments. So those are my 2 shout outs, and now let's move on to the giveaway. My giveaway is in no way associated with YouTube. It is only myself, and there are rules which I will leave in the description. You have to be subscribed to this channel, and you have to comment on this video. That's it. That's all the rules. Even if you live internationally, I will ship internationally. The only issue is if there's any duties or anything like that, I won't cover that. I won't even know about that when I ship it. So I will ship to an international address, but you're responsible for any international fees that might occur because of that. So you can comment whatever you want. I'm gonna use something that will make sure that only one comment counts per person. So if you comment 10 times on this video, your comment will only count one time. If you really don't want to be in the giveaway, go ahead and leave a comment anyways, but just say that you don't want to be in the giveaway at the end, so then I can delete that comment before I do my random comment picker. But I still want to hear what you have to say, even if you're not interested in the giveaway. So the giveaway is going to include 5 items total. The first is an entire FabFitFun subscription box for the winter season. It's been my favorite box this year, and you can still get it. So I went online today and I grabbed a second box. It will include some of the same items that you might have seen in my unboxing. It is definitely going to include, because I customized it, this blanket, the Unhide Lil Marshmallow Faux Chinchilla blanket. I got this blanket a few days before I got sick, and I've literally been just like living in it. It's so soft. If you wanted a different option, or if you already have that blanket, I'm sorry, but it's just, for me, I had to have that in there. It's also gonna include the 7 masks that I got, the Karuna face masks, but instead of the slippers, because sizing is kind of an issue with that, I selected the Bando speaker. So it's a shower speaker. That way it would kind of like suit anybody. As long as you have a shower, and as long as you shower, which I hope you do, then you can use a shower speaker. So the giveaway is going to include an entire FabFitFun box. I paid $49.99 for it, but it retails for over $200 worth of products inside. It's also going to include the Sephora Pro palette. This is Pro Pigment palette. And let me just open this up here so I can show you how gorgeous it actually is. You kind of have colors for everything. You want a smoky eye, you want some bright colors, you want some like light colors. The whole top row is just like, it's just a really gorgeous palette. I think it's good for pretty much any level of makeup, and I do think the pigment is really good on it. Sephora actually makes really quality products, and their Pro palette is no exception to that. And it also comes with a little info card that has all these looks on it, and using their palette, like which colors to use to create the look. So I think that that's really cool too for somebody that might not necessarily know how to use a palette with that many different colors, to help them pick out like, oh, this is the highlight shade, this is going in my inner corner. Really useful. This palette retails at Sephora for $68. So I'm also going to include a lip scent set. This has the caramel apple color, rose gloss. This is good to wear on top of the color because you have to use a gloss on top of the color, or because it has a slight rosy tint, you can wear it by yourself. That's why I chose rose gloss, and then the remover that comes with it. If you haven't seen my video about lip scents, I'm pretty much obsessed with lip scents. And it's just like lip color that doesn't come off no matter what. Like it won't be on your coffee cup or if you kiss your baby or anything like that. So this is a really good starter set. It retails for $55. And you'll also get Climate Control. This is probably my favorite skincare item from Senegence. It's basically like extreme moisture. It helps with the symptoms of rosacea. It helps with the symptoms of eczema. I had eczema on my arms pretty bad. It helps with any sunburn. Like if you get sunburn and spray this all over your body, the cooling effect of it is really nice. I use it before I put on my makeup a lot, and I think it helps keep your foundation looking flawless. It really moisturizes at a deep level because it has a really small molecular weight. I have an entire video about this product, which I will link below, and also throw a card up if you're watching this full screen. Climate Control retails for $60. The last item is the one and only, the original Beauty Blender. I've talked about this a lot. I seriously go through these so much. You do have to discard them. This isn't something you can just like keep forever or anything, because they do grow like the same bacteria that makeup brushes grow and all of that. But I like to use a foundation brush to apply all of my foundation. Then I take a damp Beauty Blender and just like buff it out. It gives you this really pretty like Instagram filter worthy finish. And I seriously use this pretty much every day. I have like 8-10 of them, I don't even know, a ridiculous amount. So I think this is something that everybody needs, and this retails for $20. So let's break down right here our pricing. About $200 retail value for that FabFitFun box, and then a $60 retail value for climate control, a $68 retail value for the Sephora Pro palette, and a $55 value for the Lip Sense set. $20 value for the last item, which is our beauty blender, and that brings us to, I think, $403. If I'm wrong, don't worry, because we have it right here. Thank you so much for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. At the beginning of the year in January, I had just a little bit over 100, and part of the new year is I was making some of my goals, and it was my goal to hit 1,000 subscribers by December 31st. So the fact that we did it in November, I don't even know how we did it, to be honest. I don't think my videos are anything exceptional, but I really appreciate for those of you that have decided to click that subscribe button and stick around to see more of them. I really wanted 1,000 subscribers because it gets to open up your community tab where you can ask questions and you can post like photos and things like that. It kind of builds a different type of engagement rather than just video and comments. So I'm really looking forward to that. YouTube hasn't officially opened that up for me yet, but I know it's coming because I know that you need 1,000 subscribers to get that tab. I hope you enjoyed this video. Good luck to everyone on the giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed and make sure that you comment down below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!